As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Master Cook 3-burner and the Weber Q1000. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Master Cook is definitely bigger, right? It's got a 472 SQN cooking area compared to the Weber's 189 SQN. That's a huge difference.
Yeah, and it's got 3 burners pumping out 30,000 BTUs, while the Weber only has 1 burner at 8,500 BTUs. So the Master Cook would heat up faster and be better for cooking for a larger group.
Definitely. But the Weber Q1000 is super portable. It's much lighter, only 27.5 pounds compared to the Master Cook's 46.6 pounds. Plus, it's smaller overall, so it's easier to take camping or tailgating, right?
True. And the Weber runs on those small, disposable propane cylinders. The Master Cook needs a full-size propane tank. What about the grates?
The Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and easy cleanup. The Master Cook has porcelain enamel wire cooking grates. I think the cast iron on the Weber might be a little better quality.
Good point. And the Weber is fully assembled, which is a bonus. The Master Cook needs some assembly.
Yeah, that can be a pain. But the Master Cook has those foldable side shelves, which are handy for prepping food. The Weber doesn't have any shelves.
Right, that's useful. And the Master Cook is cheaper, usually around $199, while the Weber is about $229.
True, but the Weber is an Amazon's Choice product and has a higher rating, 4.7 stars compared to the Master Cook's 4.2. People seem to really like the Weber's build quality and how evenly it heats.
So it sounds like the Master Cook is better for larger groups and backyard grilling, while the Weber is more portable and maybe better quality for smaller cooks?
Exactly. It really depends on what you're looking for in a grill. If you need something portable and easy to use, the Weber is great. If you need more cooking space and power, the Master Cook might be the better choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.